أهلا وسهلا بيكم for seeing English section Auditing and Assurance Service part of بهاء Nature and Type of Evidence Chapter 7 Part 2. In this section we discuss each type of evidence used in audit like physical examination, observation, key performance, recalculation, client inquiry, analytical procedure, inspection and confirmation. Number 1. Physical examination means inspection or count by the auditor of tangible assets like cash, inventory, and also security. Number 2. Confirmation. Confirmation means receipt of a direct written response from a third party verifying accuracy of information. And confirmation is highly reliable because come from third party, so relatively costly. Inspection. Auditor examination of the client document and record for internal and external document like sheet. Analytical procedures are required during the planning and completion phase on all audits. Purpose of analytical procedure are four purposes. Number 1, understand the client industry and business. Number 2, assess the entity ability to contain as a going concern. Number 3, indicate the presence of possible misstatement in the financial statement. Number 4, reduce detailed audit tests. Inquiry of client. Inquiry of client means written or oral information from the client in response to question from the auditor. Recalculation involves reaching a sample of calculation made by the client. Performance. The auditor independent test of client account procedure or control that were originally done as part of the entity account and internal control system. For example, the auditor may compare the price on an invoice to an approved price list. Observation. We use one thing to assess client activity, and the observation is rarely sufficient by itself and need to cooperate with another kind of evidence. There are several terms used to describe audit procedure and associated with the type of evidence. Number 1, the terms examine. Examine means an reasonable detailed study of a document or recorded to determine a specific fact about it. So, its suitable type of evidence will be inspection. Number 2, scan. A less detailed examination of a document or record to determine whether there is something unusual warranting further investigating. So, the analytical procedure is suitable type of evidence. The term read means an examination of written information to determine facts pertinent to the audit. So, the suitable type of evidence will be inspection. The term compute means a calculation done by the auditor independent of the client. So the analytical procedure is the suitable type of evidence. And also the term recompute means a calculation done to determine whether a client calculation is correct. So the suitable type of evidence is a recalculation. The term foot means additional of a column of number to determine whether the total is the same as the client. So recalculation is a suitable type of evidence. And the term trace is an instruction normally associated with inspection or re-performance. So the suitable type of evidence is inspection and performance. The term compare means a comparison of information in two different locations. The instruction should state which information is being compared in as much detail as practiced. So, the inspection is the best type of evidence. The term account means a designation of an asset on evidence hand at a given time. So, the term should be associated with the type of evidence defined as physical examination. The term observe in the act of the observation should be associated with the type of evidence defined as observation. And the term inquiry, the act of inquiry should be associated with the type of evidence that defined as inquiry. The term push means the use of document to verify recorded transaction or amount, so the inspection is the best type of evidence. وبكده نكون انتهينا من part 2 chapter 7.